is all she wrote. Do you think I don't know that you're out on the town with all of your high-rolling friends? What do you do when you come up empty? Where do you go when the party ends? You were just too busy being fabulous, too busy to think about us. I don't know what you were dreaming of. Somehow you forgot about love. You were just too busy being fabulous. A little time in the country, a day or two to slow down, a bottle of wine and a walk in the moonlight, maybe some fooling around. You think time is just a magazine, and money's just a thrill. I've waited so long for you to change your way of living. Now I realize that you never will, 'cause you were just too busy being fabulous, too busy to think about us, looking for something you'll never find. Never know what you left behind, 'cause you were just too busy being fabulous. You tell a joke and everybody's laughing. That's something you know how to do. You've always been the life of the party, but now, my baby, the joke is on you, 'cause you were just too busy being fabulous, too busy to think about